moment of life is precious and can never happen again, and therefore is a reason to appreciate, be grateful for, and celebrate the fact that you are alive. Zelig Pliskin. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. Let no one ever come to you without leaving better and happier. Mother Teresa. Count your age by friends, not years. Count your life by smiles, not tears. John Lennon. If you don't like the road you're walking, start paving another one. Dolly Parton. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Mahatma Gandhi.